In this video, you're going to learn how to use live video on Facebook to grow your business. So I'll firstly walk you through the practical steps to go live on Facebook, and then I'll give you a couple of ideas about how you can use it to grow your business. So the practical steps to going live is very simple. At the top of your newsfeed here, you're going to see the option to create a live video. You might just have to approve access to your camera. Now, right now, I've just covered my camera with a sheet of paper. But you can really in here select the page that you want to share it on. So I could change that here if I wanted to. And then you just want to say something about the video that you're putting in. Then you can select your camera and the microphone that you're using. So you can change those around if you want. You can plug in another camera. So you can do that, and you can even share your screen as well. I'm using the Chrome browser, and you can just add in this Chrome extension to enable screen share, which you can use for presentations, or you could use even for gameplay as well. So I can just put in test title, and then you can add in tags if you want. If you're doing gameplay, you can see that you can tag a video game, so that'll show up. So in terms of the setup, it's very quick. And then to go live itself, you just click go live. You can see you get a countdown like this. And you can see that my comment came up the top. And then you're going to see you're able to, you can write comments in here. And also if anybody is commenting on your video, you're going to see this pop up in the sidebar here on the right as you're talking and as you're appearing on camera. So you can read the comments as you're going live. Now, once you've finished out your live video, then you can just click finish. And then what is going to happen after that is that a replay of your video will be available on your timeline. So you can just click done. Now, if I refresh the page, this should come up almost immediately. And you can see there it is there. Now, if anybody commented on this while I was doing it, that would have been shown up here. And, you know, people could read back and watch this later as well. So how do you actually use this? Well, what are some use cases of it? Well, on your own page, you can just use this for something like an Ask Me Anything. This is an example that I did. Just ask me anything about Facebook Live or Facebook ads. Now you can promote that in advance. You can send out an email notification saying I'll be doing a live Ask Me Anything on Facebook at this time. Join in, and then they can just click through at the appropriate time and log in. Or you can do it as I've done it here, just a short 1 minute, 2 minute video. And then I've said, you know, ask me anything, I'll answer questions even afterwards. And I got quite a lot of views for this one video, quite a lot of comments. And then I ultimately went ahead and just answered those comments and then promoted that course that I was kind of about Facebook ads that I created at a later stage. So I put an update in afterwards. How else can you use this? Well, you can use this not only on your own Facebook page, but you can do this in Facebook groups. So here's an example of this. It was another Udemy instructor. If we click into this, you can see that he said, I'm live in the instructor club for the next hour. I'll be answering many of the questions. So he had a little bit of a build up before this. He was commenting in this group saying, I'll be live on X date. If you have any questions, just let me know below. And then he just went live under his personal profile and started to answer some questions. And you can see got quite a lot of comments in here, which he went ahead and answered. So you could do this under your own name in a Facebook group and then start to talk a little bit about your business and how people can learn more. Or you can also go live directly on your own Facebook page. So there's a couple of use cases for them. I particularly like that example of someone leveraging this to get in front of a Facebook group and to really help that group, but also talk more about his own business as well. So now that you know how to go live on Facebook, create a live video for yourself or put this strategy in your back pocket for later.